Hello test takers, welcome back to Exam Prep Solutions, and today we're going to be going over an engineering economics problem. You can see we have the FE exam excerpt on the right here for our interest rate tables. This is what you're going to be using quite a bit on the economics section. I would suggest giving this problem a try before I go over the solution here, finding the answer, and then we can take a look at my solution. So let's just dive in right now. So the problem states an engineering employee has a retirement account where $3,000 is invested per year in a savings account each year for 11 years and a rate of 8%. Will the employee make more money if he collected this investment at the end of 11 years or if he received a payout of $50,000 right now from his company? So which is greater? So we're going to need to determine what kind of equation we need to use. So we know we're using an annual amount, and we want to determine what that annual amount will become in the future. So we're going to be using F over A in this case. The interest rate is 8% and the time is 11 years. We're going to multiply that by 3,000. So if we go to our table here, F over A, really the keys to this problem is understanding what relationship we're going to be using and then making sure we match it up correctly with the interest rates and years. So F over A, 11. And so that's going to be 16.65. So if we have 16.65 times 3,000, that equals 49,950. If we compare that to 50,000 minus 49,950, well, we know taking the payout is actually $50 more. So what do we put for our answer? Do we put equal with both or more with the payout? I would say we put more with the payout here. If it's within $1 or so, I'd say it's equal, but there is some difference here. So you would actually get paid more money if you took a $50,000 payout than this setup here. If you made the interest rate one greater point, I believe that this would now be greater. So that's how to answer this question. Some of these economics problems can be pretty simple. You just need to set them up correctly, make sure you have the correct relationship, and then select the right answer from the choices. So anyways, that's our problem here. Let me know if you have any questions in the description box down below, or you have a problem you'd like us to solve on the channel. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.